Hi guys! Ayun guys, welcome back to my channel again. And welcome back to Pearl TV if you are watching this in my YouTube channel. And welcome back to Pearl TV Official if you're watching this in my FB page. At sa video na to guys, ang topic natin ay isa-summarize ko lamang yung live topic ko kanina sa YouTube, okay? In YouTube, okay? So, kanina kasi nagme-merienda ako. Tapos nakaisip ako ng magandang topic. Sabi ko, what are the advantages of doing the things that we really love doing, okay? Ano daw ang magandang benepisyo kapag ginagawa natin yung bagay na gusto natin gawin? Like for example, ako, nagdo-drawing ako. If I really love to draw or to paint, nagdo-paint ako. If I really love to sing, hindi pa makikita niyo from time to time, nagkakanta-kanta ako. So, ano ang advantage nung guys? Kung gusto ko magtinda-tinda, kung gusto ko makipag-chismisan, makipag-chismisan ako. So, ano ang advantage nung guys? Okay? Sabi dito, this is an AI-generated overview. It improves mental and emotional health, okay? Doing things you enjoy can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and even depression, okay? Yes, kasi nung pandemic talaga guys, nakapaka-thankful ko talaga kasi kumbaga na ano ko sa YouTube, at nagkaroon tayo ng mga kaibigan sa YouTube na ginaid talaga tayo kung paano makapag-umpisa. At hindi ko talaga na feel na depressed ako because of the pandemic. Okay? Hindi ko na feel na depressed ako sa pandemic. Although na-stop lahat ng mga home business ko that time, na-focus naman ako sa YouTube at na-monetize naman yung channel natin, okay? So, at na-improve nga yung mental and emotional health natin kasi dapat super bagsak na tayo kasi wala na akong kita that time. 'Di ba? So, very happy ako kasi yung ginagawa ko that time everyday, I do editing, nagfi-filming ako. Hindi pa ako marunong sa mga filming and the others, but I really enjoy doing what I love to do and I learned so many things, okay? So, it's already 5 years ago, 'di ba? So, doing the things you can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and even depression. The positive emotions associated with hobbies and passion can create a feedback loop, spilling over into other areas of your life. Totoo guys, di ba? Napaka-helpful talaga sa akin nang na-meet ko yung platform na naumpisan ko kasi na-enjoy talaga ako sa filming, sa editing, talking in front of the people. Diba dito ko, kumbaga na-feel ko na ito gusto ko to eh. Kahit hindi naman ako kumikita ng malaki, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I found my purpose in life. I found the best platform kasi like this, I keep on talking in front of you without any script, diba? Mahilig ako magsalita eh. Mabilis ako makadampot ng isasabi ko kasi syempre naman mahilig din ako magbasa. Mabilis ko din ma-recall yung ano. So malaking bagay, okay? And another thing is accordingly it increase productivity and motivation. When you're passionate about what you do, you're naturally more motivated and engaged, leading to increased productivity and a higher quality of work. Ayun. Kung motivated tayo sa ginagawa natin, tapos talagang gustong-gusto natin, i-aaralin natin yung guys. We really love to learn so many things about the things that we're doing. Diba? Ako, halimbawa ako, gustong-gusto ko mag-drawing. Hindi talaga ako, this is the very first time, in this 2025 lang ako nag-start mag-painting. Wala akong experience, pero gustong-gusto ko. So what I did is what? Nag-research ako, diba? So kahit paano, nakapag-umpisa na ako, bumili na ako ng mga, pinabili ko na si mister ko ng mga painting materials. And ako din, from time to time, pag may time ako, nagtitingin ako ng mga tutorial, diba? So natututo ka, nagkakaroon ka ng bagong purpose sa buhay mo. So, ayun. And then, yan. Mas nagiging imbuelto ka sa ginagawa mo, diba? You really found life in what you're doing. Accordingly, it also enhances creativity and innovation. Engaging with activities you love can spark creativity and innovation, allowing you to approach challenges with a fresh perspective and develop a unique solution. Okay? Tapos sabi dito, greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. Tama. Pursuing your passion can give your life a sense of purpose and meaning, leading to a more fulfilling and satisfying existence. Kaya natutuwa ako kasi sabi ko, nakapag-start ako sa YouTube, talagang ito naman yung gusto ko, kumita ako, hindi ako kumita, masaya ako. So, I really find time to sit down and from time to time, speak in front of the camera and you show my, diba, my authenticity as a person, okay? A stronger relationship. Shared passions can build stronger, more meaningful relationship with others who share interests. Kasi diba marami na tayong mga naging kaibigan sa platform because we have the same interest diba? Gusto natin mag-create ng content and we're happy with what we're doing, and from time to time, whenever we do the live streaming, we met people with different platform, and whenever we saw people who are streaming, and we would love to support them because we are sharing same interest, right? Personal growth and development, okay? Yun pa. Isa pa yun sa benepisyo ng paggawa mo ng bagay na gusto mong gawin. Personal growth and development, okay? Learning new skills, yes. Pushing boundaries and challenging yourself in your activities you enjoy can lead to personal growth and greater sense of accomplishment. Totoo talaga, guys. Kasi ako hindi ko din maisip na magagawa ko yung sa YouTube Pero dahil gustong gusto ko, inaral ko din. So kahit pa paano, if there are people who would come and will say, Pearl, please teach me how to do YouTube. And of course, I can teach them. And of course, with a price, right? Kasi nga sabi ko, I already invested 6 years in the platform, right? And it's not just money, it's also time, knowledge, and skills. Diba? Kung ano yung i-impart natin sa kanila, of course, whatever we share. Of course, pag mga kamag-anak natin, ang mga super dikit natin, it's just free of charge na yun. Pero if people na hindi naman natin kadikit, and then bigla, Pearl, teach me how to do this, of course, syempre, with a price. Okay, gano'n naman, diba? Doon na papasok yung tinatawag na ROI, return of investment. Kasi we will be putting time, di ba? So, to anyone who are willing to learn about YouTube and who are willing to be coached by me in order for you to start up in the platform, so I'm just a chat away. DM me. Bye! Thanks for watching. Love you all.